Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of automotive news and its impact on the stock market. If you're as passionate about this industry as we are, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our insightful updates. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's delve into a news story that has been making waves in the automotive world and could potentially have significant implications for major automakers' stocks. We're talking about General Motors, GM, Stellantis, and the looming threat of $9.5 billion in U.S. fuel economy fines, as detailed in an industry group letter. Now, on the surface, this might seem like a regulatory issue, but when it comes to the stock market, even seemingly minor regulatory matters can have a substantial impact. So, let's break this down. The issue at hand revolves around fuel economy standards set by the U.S. government. These standards require automakers to meet specific fuel efficiency targets across their vehicle fleets. Failure to meet these targets can result in hefty fines. In this case, the industry group letter suggests that GM and Stellantis could face fines amounting to a staggering $9.5 billion. So, why does this matter for investors? Well, it goes beyond just the financial penalties. The stock market is a place where investor sentiment plays a crucial role. Negative news or potential financial setbacks can lead to a drop in investor confidence, which, in turn, can impact stock prices. Let's take a closer look at General Motors and Stellantis, two major players in the automotive industry. Both companies have been making significant strides in electric vehicles, EVs, and their stock prices have reflected this optimism. However, the threat of such substantial fines can lead to concerns among investors. Investor confidence in the automotive industry, especially in the midst of the EV revolution, relies on several factors. Meeting regulatory standards, especially in the environmentally conscious era we're in, is one of those critical factors. A failure to meet these standards can potentially tarnish a company's image and cast doubts on its ability to adapt to a changing automotive landscape. On the flip side, both GM and Stellantis have robust plans for transitioning to electric vehicles. They have announced ambitious goals and investments in EV technology. This could serve as a counterbalance to the negative news of potential fines. Investors might consider these companies' long-term strategies and their potential to weather regulatory challenges. It's also worth noting that the automotive industry is no stranger to regulatory hurdles. Companies have faced emissions-related fines in the past, and they've adapted and continue to thrive. This situation might not be any different. In conclusion, while the threat of $9.5 billion in fuel economy fines is undoubtedly a cause for concern, it's essential to view it within the broader context of these automakers' strategies, their commitments to EVs, and their historical ability to navigate regulatory challenges. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the potential impact of looming fuel economy fines on General Motors, Stellantis, and the automotive industry as a whole. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest developments in the automotive and stock market worlds. Now, here's a question for you. How do you think these potential fines might affect investor sentiment towards major automakers like GM and Stellantis? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We always appreciate your valuable insights. And for all you investors out there, don't miss our other videos, including our daily EV stocks pre-market report, your daily guide to navigating the dynamic world of automotive investments. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, drive safe and invest wisely.